Cass here from Deaf Boy. So I have a firework. Yeah, it's daytime, but I don't care.
Back up.
Yeah, we might pull it back up. Yeah.
There you go.
It's getting ready to be loud. Sorry. It's gonna get louder, guys. Way louder. That's so loud. That is so loud. That was loud. These things are cool. I'm glad you brought those. Here, can I keep the caps for? No. Please, I want to keep the caps. Please don't keep the caps. I want to keep the blue cap. Hey, I want the cap. I said no. Okay, anyways, bye.